All right, we want to do a quick overview of Versa-Lok Standard Solid Units. What we want to highlight is the fact no channels, no grooves, no pinholes, same exact width, height, and depth as a standard unit. We have a standard unit right here. You can see same exact unit, different color obviously. Just no channels, no pins, nothing like that. Nice feature with it is you can snap a standard unit, give yourself a double split. You can do the same thing with the solid. The upside to it is on the freestanding wall end here where we use a solid unit. This unit, you can snap off the face of it, you can snap off the length of it, use it just like this in conjunction with standards. Now you have a three-sided end.